God. I'm gonna leave me. I don't know. Okay. They are into business. I do, you know, everybody wants. So, are you still on it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'll let you know.
Pati ng food. So, hello guys, we are on our farm. So we come with our investors and those that are passionate about agriculture. So we come to do farm tour. So our member, they are there, but they don't want to open their eye on camera. So this is cassava farm. So one of Adam Agro Limited farm. So here we have a lot of cassava. So a lot of cassava and different species of cassava, as you can see. So we are into farming, not be by mouth alone. So we are into farming. So either you want to invest your own, so you are highly welcome to Adam Agro Limited with any types of crops that you want to venture into, either cassava like this, or maize, or cash crops like plantain, yes. So or palm plantation. So as you can see, we want to diversify our portfolio to palm plantation. That is one of our projects for this 2026 farming season. So whereby you will own a land. So you have nothing to wait for. 2025 has already gone. So this cassava that you are seeing was planted in 2025. So as early as you enter agriculture, as early as you earn the income of it. So you have nothing to worry about. Adam Agro Limited is a standard organization that's doing agriculture, farming, all type of crops. Adam Agro Limited, we are ready for it. So we just come for a farm tour. So in case either you as an investor, you want to come and look into what we are doing on farm, so just take the camera around. So can you see? So this is our farm. So it's not someone's farm. So this is our farm. Just take the camera. This is our cassava farm. So we still have another crops like maize, like palm plantation. So we just take one of our clients to just visit our farm. So if you want to come for farm tour as well, just contact us. You want to invest, you want to buy a farmland with a standard team to manage it for you.